Hey guys, the ideal supplementary jobs for teachers are those that offer flexibility, enabling them to accommodate their demanding schedules or take advantage of the summer break when schools are closed. For maximum flexibility, I would suggest exploring online and app-based side hustles. These options allow teachers to work remotely and at their own convenience. But before this video, guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Now, here are the best side hustle ideas for teachers. The first one is online tutoring. Teachers have the option to explore a variety of avenues to find online tutoring opportunities, ranging from social media groups to dedicated websites and apps. These platforms offer a wide range of tutoring possibilities, including both group tutoring and one-on-one sessions. It is worth noting that a significant portion of online tutoring gigs focus on teaching English to international English learners, making it a popular and in-demand area of specialization. Before committing to a particular tutoring service, take the time to evaluate your own availability, teaching expertise, and desired student demographic. By aligning these factors with the unique offerings of different platforms, you can select the most suitable avenue for your online tutoring endeavors. The second one is freelance writer. Freelance writing offers a flexible and adaptable opportunity that can be pursued alongside other responsibilities. The scope of freelance writing assignments varies depending on the client, but there is a wide range of content you can explore, including corporate communications, email campaigns, blog articles, or press releases. To kickstart your freelance writing journey, it is beneficial to start by building a writing portfolio. Entry-level freelance writing opportunities can provide valuable experience and help you assemble a collection of writing samples to showcase your skills and expertise. If you already have a writing portfolio, you can aim for more advanced and specialized gigs that align with your areas of interest and knowledge. One of the most effective ways to find freelance writing jobs is through online job boards like Fiverr, which connect freelancers with potential clients. Additionally, joining writing groups on platforms like Facebook and subscribing to newsletters focused on writing opportunities can expand your network and provide regular updates on job openings. The third one is Proofreader. If you possess a keen eye for spotting typos and grammatical errors in your students' work, you may already have the qualities of a skilled proofreader. Transitioning into freelance proofreading allows you to apply your expertise to assist different clients and companies in ensuring their written content is error-free and polished. To establish yourself as a freelance proofreader, it is essential to develop a writing or editing portfolio that demonstrates your experience and proficiency in proofreading-related tasks. Your teaching work can be a valuable addition to your portfolio if you teach subjects that involve editing students' writing or teaching grammar and punctuation. With a well-rounded portfolio, you can start applying for proofreading jobs. Numerous online marketplaces and platforms such as Upwork and Fiverr offer job opportunities for freelance proofreaders. These platforms connect freelancers with clients seeking proofreading services for a wide range of content, including articles, blog posts, marketing materials, and academic papers. Another one is virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is an individual who provides remote administrative support to clients, offering a wide range of services such as customer support, call handling, schedule management, data entry, social media management, and research tasks. As a teacher, you likely already possess valuable skills in managing schedules and interacting with individuals, whether it be students or their parents. Transitioning into a virtual assistant role can be a smooth process, as you can already leverage your existing experience and adapt it to support clients remotely. While formal education or certifications may not always be required for virtual assistant positions. Having a high school degree or equivalent qualification is generally sufficient. However, the specific requirements can vary depending on the job and the industry you are entering. And another one is bookkeeper. A freelance bookkeeper is responsible for managing financial accounts on behalf of another entity, often a business. While this role requires some mathematical skills, it is also a position that can be self-taught and learned even without a significant professional background in the field. As a freelance bookkeeper, your responsibilities may include tracking expenses, managing payments, and handling payroll tasks. Additionally, you might be required to assist in preparing financial reports and addressing finance-related inquiries. To gain proficiency in managing financial accounts, there are various avenues you can explore. One approach is to seek hands-on experience by assisting with bookkeeping tasks for small businesses or organizations. This practical exposure will help you develop a solid understanding of the day-to-day activities involved in bookkeeping. Additionally, consider enrolling in bookkeeping courses or programs to enhance your knowledge and skills in this field. There are numerous online platforms, community colleges, or vocational schools that offer courses specifically tailored to bookkeeping. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Guys, did you find any of these side hustle ideas interesting? Leave your comments down below. So guys, if you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.